everyone, this is the Motor Mouth Mike McMillan, and I'm with Herbert Tucker, and he has a really cool 1965 Pontiac Tempest that he's had 46 years. And Herbert, if you can just tell me a little bit about it.
Actually, the car is simply a 65 Tempest, one of which I've had, like you just mentioned, basically stated, 46 years. But it's gives the appearance of a stock Tempest. However, on the internals, somewhat quite different. Engine, transmission, rear end, all are cut above a 1965 model car.
And you know, this was the same basis as the GTO, but this one here, I believe, will obviously shame any stock GTO because you're running a 455 up front.
Yes.
And you're telling me all the, you know, all you've been able to do to it, and it just sounds like a really mean car. See these wheels here? You're telling me these are fairly new addition?
Those are the Torque Thrust 2 aluminum wheels.
And up front here, you just added these disc brakes. And of course, see here, it's you left the 326 badge on it, but obviously there is no 326 anymore under this hood. It is all big block.
Absolutely.
So,
absolutely.
Definitely a really amazing car, and you know, I really appreciate you showing me.
No problem, Mike. No problem. Let's see if we can produce a little sound for you.